Yo, what's up everyone? So this video is about putting the quick release to through axle fork. Yo, what's up guys? So ang ginamit ko dito is washers. So I have 6 washers. I need to put 3 on each side, and I also have a back skewer. And then this time I need to unscrew it. Kasi kailangan ko siya lagyan ng washers, yung mga screw right there. At least 3 on each screws, 3 washers on each screw. So this time I only have 9 washers, so I only need to put 3 screws on that brake. So right now I'm assembling it to the fork. Yeah, so medyo ano talaga siya kasi maselan kasi dahan-dahan kailangan mo siyang ilagay yung mga washers niya. Ang nangyari kasi this fork has a 15 by 110 mm size and has a travel of 130. So medyo wide siya. So kailangan ko siyang kaya kailangan ko siya lagyan ng spacers or washers. So right there you really need to be resourceful. Check all your like small stuff, screws, anything in there that can fit in here para pwede mo siyang gamitin sa conversion mo. And yeah, make sure that you really tight the screws, the quick release right there para hindi na siya umalog or magwobble pa. So yeah, so right now I'm putting back the brake. So that's the reason why I put some washers on the screws on this brake para mag-fit yung yung brake at saka yung disc brake niya. Kasi nga medyo malapad tong fork na to eh. So this time ito yung old fork niya, ito yung rock shocks din, naka 100 mm travel siya. So ngayon mas mataas na siya at saka mas wide na siya. Ito yung rock shocks recon pala na tinanggal ko sa isang bike ko. Yun, okay na. So this time I even bring the bike on the local trail and I tried to run it, tested, and even jump a little, and sinigurado ko talaga na hindi na siya matatanggal. So okay na siya, fix na siya, talagang tight na siya sa fork niya. So there you go guys, this is my conversion. Hopefully makakatulong sa inyo to pag nag-convert kayo, or if you really done this one, please comment down below. If you have suggestion, please also comment down below, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out. God bless you all.